and my sandwich is all smush.
What kind of sandwich is it?
Peanut butter and chocolate.
Oh man, the peanut butter and the chocolate is squished out.
So, how's your day been?
Girl, don't even get me started, okay? I have so much homework, it is not even funny. I have like 5 kajillion 100 billion tests, and then I have like packets on packets of homework, and I have projects, and it's just a mess.
School just started, man, and you are getting tests. Wow.
Yeah. This school is so confusing. It's like so much bigger than the middle school. I've gotten lost like 3 times in just today.
However, lucky for me, I have a map.
Well, I want one. I can't even find the gym.
Oh, well, you can have this one after too.
Okay, great, thanks.
Speaking of gym, are you trying out for any sports?
Nah. How about you?
I think I might be trying out for the dance team.
Oh, the dance team. That sounds like a lot of fun, actually. I think you'd be really good at it. I'm in, like, marching band, so I will not be trying out for the dance team.
So, what instrument do you play?
I rock out hard on the tuba.
But isn't that hard and, like, it's really heavy and stuff?
I mean, I guess, but it's really fun, so it's worth it.
I can't play the tuba, but I'm a beast at kazoo.
Oh, the kazoo. Yeah, my cousin plays the kazoo. Bye, Felicia.
Bye with that.